Okay, so today I'm getting my windows tinted. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. See that? So just got here. It's my buddy's shop. Sun out, mobile tinting. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing tinted. Look at this. This is how you know your window tint is going bad, is when it starts bubbling. I just can't wait till I get a new tint, man. Check out this Mini though. 54,000 miles. Good friend is selling it. This thing is like built. It looks so sick. I might buy it.
This is the insulator IR ceramic film, and this is a Marathon, which is a standard film.
But what's the difference?
So this one rejects a lot more heat than this one. This is a stronger film.